Hey there, people of YouTube. This is Nick over at Small Engine Wizard, and today we're working on a YTH24V54 lawn tractor. We're gonna see why this thing's making a crazy squealing noise, because a lot of you guys seem like you can't figure it out. I figured it out, so I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm also gonna do a little sound clip right after this. We're gonna figure out exactly why it's doing this, how to remedy it. Husqvarna doesn't really have a remedy. They just kind of said, well, it does it, deal with it. But kind of can't deal with it because it's like an extremely high-pitched squealing noise, which is very annoying. So we're gonna dive right in and see what we can do. So this is the underneath of our YTH24V54. Have the deck off, of course. So once we do all that, basically what's going on is our problem is all lying right there. So on that guide for the belt where it goes back to the transmission, that's rubbing on that bracket, not on the right side, but on the left side. So it would really be the passenger side bracket. That is rubbing on there. And when we take the belt off of it, it stops squealing. So basically we have to get that away. So now there's two ways we can do this. So if we go behind this bracket right here, we can see where the little nipple is. There's a bolt directly behind this, and you're gonna need a 1/2-inch wrench to loosen that. So you can fit the wrench in through this way, and with the open end, it is a bit of a pain to move it, but you can get to it. It's a 1/2-inch wrench, and that'll slide right in there. It'll get you to loosen that a little bit. So one option, we can take it completely off and we can make the hole a little bit bigger. In this case, on this one, I was able to slide this over just a little bit once I loosened it up. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do that. And also, this tab right here does have to be bent out just a little bit that way, just so we won't make contact. So right here, I got this camera as close as I can get it. So we're gonna take this belt and just flip it over that way for right now. Don't forget that. I'm gonna put a pair here. And I'm gonna use a pair here. Don't grab the belt. We're gonna support the one while we twist the other out, just a little bit. And this one's going to twist down just a hair. And that's hard to see, but right now there is no contact. So as long as this is bent out just a little bit, we still got the keeper, so it's not going anywhere. You know, this, it's really not gonna come off. So that's not really gonna be a concern anymore. Once you start it up, that squealing will indeed be gone. If that's the location it's coming from and you've ruled out all your other pulleys and everything, that's like kind of something to look at first. But I believe it was a common issue on these tractors. I've had a couple of them. You know, I had people tell me from the factory for a startup they did it. And changing belts didn't help. Changing pulleys didn't help. And once we did that, we got them figured out. And they are back on the grass. So that's really it, everybody. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed my video. If not, you can thumbs down, I guess, or thumbs up. Do what you want. But that should help you guys get back on track. And there you are. Happy mechanicking.